everyone, I hope you're all well. It's actually breakfast time, or no, actually brunch, and I've been looking for something on TikTok that I could kind of replicate. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm really dying to try this. And luckily I actually had some pesto, because we had some pasta and pesto last night. So it involves pesto, it involves an egg, and it involves sourdough slice. The sourdough bread I got free from the Lidl app, when you reach a certain amount it gives you a free bakery item, and I always choose the most expensive loaf on their bakery selection, and that happens to be the sourdough bread. So it didn't cost me a penny, which is great. So come and have a look at the very easy and basic ingredients. So basically 3 things: pesto, bread, and an egg. And you don't have to have sourdough bread. I reckon any old slice would do, but I'm really looking forward to trying this. I've got I'm basically going to do it on the induction hob in my lovely non-stick pan. I've already drizzled a little bit of olive oil. That could be optional, you know, it's up to you whether you wanted to add oil. You may not need it because of the oil content in the pesto, but I'm going for it, so I don't mind. So yeah, let's get this buttered on both sides with the pesto. And I've already made a hole. You'll see in a moment when I take it out, it's already been cut. You take that out, and I'm going to cook that or fry that as well, and that'll be part of the breakfast stroke brunch. So yes, let's get started and get cooking. So I'm just going to butter both sides, like I said. Oh yeah, oh, I do love pesto. And the other side. I'm just going to poke the that out. I'll place it in the frying pan as well as that, and then I'm going to crack the egg in. So I'm just going to move you. Right, let's get this this baby on. I'm going to put it to the lowest setting because 60 is quite ferocious, and if I need to up it, I'll just up it to 80. So I'm going to crack the egg in there. There we go. Right, let's see what happens. I may up it a bit, get it started. Just turned it up to 100. I'm going to put the lid on just to allow it to cook on the top half. I've never done this before, so I've actually no idea, but you know what, it's like with TikTok, it's only under a minute or whatever, so it's very quick. I'm not quite sure how long this is going to take, or how soon I need to flip it. Turning it down a little bit because it can be quite ferocious, so I don't want it. I want it to cook at the top, otherwise it will just spill out. Smelling delicious though, I must say. Alright, let's flip this one, and I'm not sure if I should flip it, but I'm gonna try. It's gonna be quick. Ooh. Okay, that's all right. Let's just let that cook for a bit. It reminds me of French toast. You know, when you've got egg and milk mixture, and then you dip your bread in and then fry the bread. Oh, that's so lovely. I love that, especially with brown sauce. But with the pesto's an added deliciousness, I hope. It's kind of like a bit. Yeah, I mean, this is. Oh, if the yolk is runny when I come to eat it, I'll be really happy. So I'm just going to look at that one. Be good. Yeah, so we'll probably use that as a judge to what's going on with that one. So I've just turned it up to 100. I mean, this is minutes. It's just taken literally a few minutes. 5 maybe at most. Just have a look at that side. See, it's going to get the heat up a bit now. As soon as that gets as soon as this underside looks a bit like this side, I think I'm going to take it off and taste test. Step it up a bit. I've just turned it up to 120. I wonder if I should have put pesto on the sides. It's a thick slice. I think I might, yeah, that's brown enough for me, because I don't want the egg to not be runny, so I'm going to serve it up. There we go. Should we just have a look at what's it like on the underside? Yeah. I'm going to eat it now. Let's break into this and see what it's like. Oh, let's just move you a bit. You need to be able to see me and the food. Oh. That's better. Right. Oh, check it out. Egg, what is it? Pesto egg in a hole. AKA, well, a TikTok recipe. Delish, hopefully. Ooh, nearly fell off. Right, come on, let's break this open. Let's go right in the middle. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I love a runny egg. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, yeah. Oh, so I'm gonna, well, just taste test. Look, let's start with the whole. Honestly, I would never thought to do this in a million years. Pesto is always, for me, is always with pasta. Oh, I haven't lived. This is delicious. That rich, oily, pesto-y flavour with a runny yolk. Oh. And sourdough bread. Oh yeah. I do love it when I get that free bakery item, because I always go for this bread. Oh. That I really would recommend trying that if you like pesto and you like your eggs. Well, that was really easy. I would do this again, especially when you've got fancy bread in the cupboard. That was so easy and so quick. I'm going to go and finish my brunch. Thanks everyone for watching, and take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.